The map was first documented in the late 1800s, hidden inside the false bottom of an old merchant's chest in Istanbul. At first glance, it looked ordinary: yellowed parchment, hand-drawn coastlines, faded ink. But something was wrong. The continents were familiar, yet distorted. Mountains appeared where oceans should be. Entire land masses existed that matched no known place on Earth. And at the center of the map was a continent no historian could identify. No name, no legend, just a symbol, a circle divided by 4 lines, repeated again and again. Those who studied it noticed something unsettling. The map was accurate, too accurate. When cartographers examined the coastlines, they realized something terrifying. Some shorelines matched underwater land formations, places modern science would not discover until satellite imaging, nearly a century later. Rivers flowed exactly where tectonic models predicted they once did, thousands of years before human civilization. And the stars drawn along the map's border? They weren't decorative. They matched the night sky, not as it is today, but as it appeared over 12,000 years ago. This meant only one thing. The map was not drawn by guesswork. It was drawn by someone who knew. The mysterious central continent became the focus of obsession. Explorers searched for it. Scholars debated it. Some dismissed it as myth, but others noticed a pattern. When sections of the map were overlaid onto modern Earth, rotated, mirrored, and adjusted, the impossible happened. The hidden world aligned with our planet, not on the surface, but beneath it. The map wasn't showing another continent. It was showing another layer of reality, a world that exists alongside ours. Hidden, folded, sealed away. Tiny inscriptions were found along the edges of the map, written in a language no one fully understands. But certain phrases were repeated. Do not cross the veil. This land remembers. The path opens only once. And one final message, written larger than the rest. What was buried for a reason. Those who spent too long studying the map reported strange effects. They dreamed of cities made of black stone. They heard wind where there was none. Some claimed they recognized places they had never seen. A few vanished completely. Records show that at least 7 known copies of the map existed throughout history. None remain today. Museums claim theirs were lost to fire, flood, or war. Private collectors stopped responding. Libraries quietly removed references. It's as if the map did not want to be owned. One explorer wrote in his final journal entry, "The map does not guide the traveler. It waits for the traveler." He was never seen again. In the early 2000s, a digital image surfaced online, posted briefly, then deleted. It showed a fragment of the same map. But this version had something new. A marked location, coordinates. When entered into modern GPS systems, the result was impossible. The coordinates pointed to multiple places at once. Different continents, different oceans, different altitudes, as if the location existed everywhere and nowhere. Some researchers believe the map is not a map at all. It is a warning, a record of a world that existed before ours, or one that exists between moments. A world erased, folded into myth, sealed behind geography itself. And the map? It reappears when humanity gets too close to rediscovering it. So if one day you find an old map that shows a world you've never seen, a world that feels familiar, a world that feels like it's watching you, close it, because some places are not lost. They are waiting. Thank you for watching. Please follow Laosana Vault on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube for more interesting stories.